ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, my little friends. Santa here with some friendly advice to make sure you're on my nice list this year. If you follow these 5 tips, my reindeer and I might just make a stop at your house. 1. Be kind to everyone. Whether it's your friends, family, or even someone new, kindness is what makes the world sparkle brighter. A little please and thank you can go a long way. 2. Help out at home. Ho, ho, ho! Santa loves to see little helpers. Keep your room tidy, set the table, or help with chores. It shows you care about the people around you. 3. Always tell the truth. Honesty is the best policy, my dear children. Even when it's hard, being truthful shows great character, and Santa notices. 4. Be a good friend. Include others, share your toys, and listen when someone needs you. A good friend is like a Christmas star, bright and special. 5. Work hard and stay curious. Whether it's your schoolwork, hobbies, or learning new things, give it your best effort. Santa loves seeing kids who are eager to learn and grow. And remember, Christmas isn't just about gifts. It's about love, joy, and giving. Keep spreading cheer, and I'll see you soon. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!